Hey there, it's me, Faye. This is my claw machine. Then I'm gonna be causing someone. Notice when they I close myself. I make it this live man. Oh yeah, that is live man. Whenever you say. So anyways, I just preparing a claw machine that it's gonna be happening not right now and oh, especially prepared. Another line. Okay, here we go. Okay, on the count of three, you will press the button hand sound. So, okay, 1, 2, 3. Yep, it's prepared. Oh my goodness. As you can see, it's called on cheeseburger. Oh, what to do with here? I think it's that's enough question. Hey, what's the will? Oh my god, she don't understand messed up. I think it's just like my clothes machine. Ah, ah, wow, wow. Oh, what are you doing? Toy, Papa. Let's keep watching for next unit. And I said it's free.